girl I love, and I'm like, fuck you. Change in my pocket wasn't enough. Fuck you and fuck her too. If I was richer, then I'd still be with you. Ain't that something? There's a pain in my chest, but I wish you the best with a fuck you. Thank you. I'll be here for about 5 more minutes. This is original. Used to work down the quarry, busting rocks for the man. Oh no, here comes the foreman. Here's something you'll have to understand. I'm wasting time on your dime. Feeling fine, it don't bother me. Break out that wine one last time. Pass that bottle over to me. Used to work for a woodwright, chopping wood for the man. Oh no, here comes the foreman. Here's something you'll have to understand. I'm wasting time on your dime. Feeling fine, it don't bother me. Break out that wine one last time. Pass that bottle over to me. I used to work down the dock, pulling on ropes for the man. Oh no, here comes Captain Johnson. Here's something you'll have to understand. I'm wasting time on your dime. Feeling fine, don't bother me. Break out that wine one last time. Pass that bottle. Pass that bottle. Pass that bottle over to me. Hey Michael, you ready? Sure. All right, buddy.
What key you got?
I think you use the keys across.
Tell me what you're in.
E.
You're in E. Yeah, A.
down to the Bellum and it was something to see. Said, oh, mama, daddy's got the Bellum blues. Oh, sweet mama, daddy's got them Bellum blues. If you go down to the Bellum, put your money in your pants. The women in the Bellum, they don't give the men a chance. Say no, sweet mama, daddy's got them Bellum blues. Say no, sweet mama, daddy's got them Bellum blues. Say no, sweet mama, daddy's got them Bellum blues. All right, thank you, guys. Hold on, Owen.
All done?
Yeah.
All right.
You ain't do no more, Robbie? Nope. No way.
He's gonna end with a bang. Like that. Appreciate that. That might be my last time up tonight because I gotta leave early. So.
Right.
Bring that big guitar out. Robbie, how was your
All right.
However, I will be at the gin mill tomorrow night, and I don't have Bible study tomorrow night. So.
Where's the gin though?
And I don't have Bible study tomorrow night. I just have it tonight.
There's no mic tomorrow. Second.
That's it.
It's a week from tomorrow.
Never mind, I won't be at the gym mill tomorrow night because nobody else will be there either.
Oh, you can
get a drink.
Oh, it's got a preamp.
I've got the see, not having one every week screws everybody up.
I think, so they started it off at 1 night.
Yeah,
I got them up to 2. I'm
switch.
just gonna keep, well, you know, if you look